Yo, GM, what's good, fam? Welcome to Hidden Secrets Revealed live. Yes, this is actually live right now on YouTube, on Twitter, and LinkedIn. Yesterday, YouTube blocked me and took my video down, but they have since reversed it. They've come to their senses. Today on Hidden Secrets Revealed live, why this BlackRock Bitcoin ETF is sus. The SEC has approved Bitcoin futures ETFs, but a spot Bitcoin ETF hasn't been allowed. Why is BlackRock trying now? HSRL is a production of Safe New Media. Who this is for? Self actualizers. That's a term borrowed from Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Self-actualization refers to a mind that is above the plane of competition, now seeking fulfillment in order to improve their lives and those around them. Agents of progress, if you will, making the most of their lives. This micro podcast live stream is not for you if you take yourself too seriously. Viewers of this show are smarter and more attractive than plebs who ignore it. If you are a seeker, let me be your guide to discover divine and fundamental truth for yourself. Let me help you increase the quality and effectiveness of your life by revealing to you the hidden secrets of the universe. This show is specifically for those who are seeking new perspectives, fresh ideas, and a willingness to explore new possibilities. My intention is to help you stay ahead of the curve and make the most out of emerging opportunities. As you may or may not be aware, many in our community may want to apply my unique perspective to their own businesses in developing new products and services. Tell me what you think I can do to help you solve your $1 million problem. Get into our private Telegram chat, access via guild.xyz, guild.xyz/deep tribe. I also am just facing the fact that not everyone is Web3, and we'll have to be patient with some people, but it's important to have an email list. So if you're on my Twitter, if you look at the top of my Twitter, there is a new form to get onto the investor email list. More about that later. Let's get into it today on HSRL. Ladies and gentlemen, just when you thought that magical internet money was a risky investment, here comes BlackRock. They are the largest asset manager on planet Earth. I mean, they own everything with a portfolio worth nearly $9 trillion, managing products across private equity, private credit, and hedge funds. BlackRock's consulting arm, FMA, worked directly with the Federal Reserve in March 2020 during the pandemic to handle their emergency asset purchasing program, buying bonds from the US government as part of their monetary stimulus, making the money printer go brr. Today, BlackRock officially filed with the SEC to partner with Coinbase on a new spot ETF for Bitcoin. Now, a spot ETF is like a fancy stock that lets you invest in an asset at its current market price. It's like going to the store and saying, hey, I want that thing right now. No funny business. And in this case, that thing is Bitcoin. The funny business would be self-custody and all the responsibilities and hassles that come with it, like dealing with shady crypto exchanges. So, this spot Bitcoin ETF lets you invest in Bitcoin without all the hassle of dealing with keys, wallets, and worrying about hackers emptying your wallet after you open that Discord DM. None of that. If you're a financial institution, BlackRock will do all the heavy lifting for you. There's another kind called futures backed ETFs. Those are exchange traded funds backed by futures contracts rather than physical assets. The SEC has approved Bitcoin futures ETFs before, but a spot Bitcoin ETF hasn't been allowed in the US up until this point. So here's where it gets weird. Now, the SEC, they've been approving these Bitcoin futures at ETFs, but they're still not letting us have spot Bitcoin ETFs, which is essentially saying, hey, you can bet on the future of Bitcoin, but you can't actually buy it at today's low prices. As of this live stream, today is the 15th of June, Thursday. The year is 2023. We will look back at this and laugh at me. Currently, Bitcoin is around 25,550. It's on sale. BlackRock, the big shot of asset managers, they're jumping on the Bitcoin ETF train. They filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF with the SEC. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, because last year the SEC rejected a similar proposal from Grayscale, citing market manipulation concerns. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying BlackRock is up to anything shady. I mean, they're the largest asset manager on this planet, right? But it's hard not to raise an eyebrow and go, wait a minute, could they manipulate the market? Why not unleash a fat kid in a candy store? Am I right? It's basically the same thing. In conclusion, they're trying to get a spot Bitcoin ETF approved. And rumor has it they're teaming up with Coinbase, which raised questions that this raises questions, doesn't it, about the SEC going after Binance, the main Coinbase competitor. I don't know. That's how I understand it. Leave a comment. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm getting these details mixed up. You can retweet this. You can make fun of me. I don't care. Just make it funny if you are making fun of me. Retweet this. Appreciate you guys watching. Okay, so Binance is the kind of the biggest competitor. Is that accurate? Is that not accurate to say? Um, I I don't know. That's just kind of general assumption. So the SEC was trying to sue Coinbase last year until, or in 2021 or 2022, until Blackstone announced their intention. So Blackstone announces their intention to partner with Coinbase to offer this new Bitcoin ETF. So what happened to the lawsuits that the SEC was trying to go after Coinbase about? Did that disappear? I don't know. That could just be a coincidence. I really don't know. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Hidden Secrets Revealed Live is a production of Safe New Media, unconventional, diversified, global digital media company devoted to the practice, administration, and dissemination of the ideologies of its founder, moi, yours truly. My name is SeanEllenFan.eth, and this is totally not a cult, you guys. But now it's easier to join our cult. One thing you could do, one easy way, is to sign up on the email capture there for access. safenewmedia.com/HSRL, the official website, official page of this show. What I'm interested in accomplishing is building a community. Okay, the private chat is called guild.xyz, guild.xyz/deep tribe. The plan is for our community to share with each other the systems, processes, and workflows we are successfully using in order to help each other grow. So get into our inner circle The chat is called Deep Tribe. The intention is to level up your mind. Together, we level up our minds. Okay. Your mind generates meaning. Meaning creates your reality. For example, your mind can interpret your mind is a meaning making machine, and everything that happens to you, your mind is processing, trying to create some meaning, make sense of it, cope with your situation. Ask any questions about today's show in the private chat. Team up with me to bring about serious advancement for each other. There is a new investor newsletter opt-in. It's this really simple Google, nothing complicated right now. It's just a Google form, and it's at the top of my Twitter. Appreciate you guys. That's it for today. And I'm gonna leave it at that. But first, before I let you go, in case this is your first time watching Hidden Secrets Revealed live, I make music. It's fun. And the latest song is a collab with Grimes AI. I'm working on a new album, and this is one of the songs. This is just 60 seconds. You can collect it, and you can, if you're an official member, you can download the full song. I'm not going to explain the details of that today. I'm just going to end with that. Got to get back to work. I appreciate you guys. I like you.
When your intention was automatic self. Causation chains begin.